I know like the top 5.
Here at the Fleet Museum, we offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring Starship history. And today, you will have a chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced, the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. Originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard, we've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbolifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
Am I allowed to take recording? Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Enterprise D. Beautiful view, isn't it? This is called an atmospheric containment field. In layman's terms, that means none of you are going to get blown out into space. Yay! Wow. Space. The final frontier, right? Hey, it is so cool. Anybody recognize that starship docked out there in the ring? Yes, that is none other than Kirk's Enterprise. And as we learned back at Starfleet Academy, what's that?
Proximity alert. Unknown entity.
Alright, everyone please remain calm. Whatever something is, we'll keep it out.
Warning. Anomaly detected in Shuttle Bay 3.
Analyze the energy signature of the interference. Is it isolated to this area?
Negative. Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
What? How is that?
Attention all decks. Yellow alert.
Yellow alert. Whatever this thing is, it's on the move. Sick bay to engineering.
Unable to complete transmission.
Oh, something's interfering with my comm badge. Okay, I'm gonna send you directly into engineering. If anyone here can find a way to get systems back online, it'll be them. All right, head straight down these corridors. Both sides, stay in your groups and keep it moving. Keep it moving. We'll figure this out. Quickly, hurry. Make sure everybody gets in. Stand by. Stay together.
is this thing?
Whatever it is, it's spreading to nearly every system on the ship.
Well, can you find a way to slow it down?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Access denied.
This thing keeps locking me out of systems override. Oh, we have the reversible polarity. No warp core.
It's destabilizing.
We're losing magnetic containment.
What? Please, step away from the warp core.
Transporters ready for activation.
We need to get everyone off this ship now.
To the turbo lifts. Go to the turbo lifts.
Please.
Move as quickly and as safely as you can.
We'll be right behind you.
Stay together. There'll be room for everyone.
This is not a drill. No, no, no.
We're approaching a 100 precinct.
Computer, hold this door. I can't believe the first time I go to space, we're gonna die. Alright, is everybody good? Feels like it. Alright, is everybody alright? Yeah, we're good. No injuries. Excellent. Don't worry, we'll keep it that way. We are getting everybody off this ship. Computer, transporter room. Okay. Computer, transporter room. Immediately. Let me try to control the wall. Alright, there we go, we're moving. Excellent. The most important thing now is we remain calm and together. So we
Transporter
always
room access denied.
deny.
Rerouting.
Rerouting? No! No, don't panic. Our most important thing now is remaining calm. Computer! Computer, where are you taking us? Computer, we need to evacuate. Get everybody off this ship. Computer, activate emergency override. Authorization Gamma 3213. No, we're still going the wrong way. Okay, remain calm. Our priority one now is remaining calm and level-headed. Bridge. Bridge. The bridge. Okay, everyone, please, this way, to the bridge. Not a moment to spare. Above all else, don't panic.
Translation request confirmed. Establishing comms.
What? Who's doing that?
It is the entity. It is accessing.
Stand by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious as needed by your kind.
Computer, scan and identify the entity.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
Curious.
What?
You too were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next we meet.
Did you just make first contact? Yes. Oh, we need to report this to Starfleet Command.
Well, let's see all of you to the transport. Bridge to transport, send them to a group, you'll live. Live long and prosper.